Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be giving an updated version of what my Animal Crossing island looks like. And at first I wasn't going to do this only because I didn't know how to record on the Switch. I know that sounds so funny, but because I have the light, I'm not really sure how to upload streams, but I've found a way and I'm so happy. I've only been playing this game for about a month now. So right now I'm playing for the first time this morning and we're getting an announcement from Isabel. It says, "Good morning, everyone." Oh yeah, today's like a super big day. So I have a new islander. I also unlocked KK, so he's supposed to be coming today. And there's something else. I got a bunch of stuff in the catalog. Like I got a sofa for my living room and a bunch of other stuff. So hopefully we'll get to see all that stuff today. Oh, and we have a visitor on the campsite. Oh, yay, fun. Woohoo! KK is coming. Fun. I have never played Animal Crossing before this one, and oh, he's playing with us. This is so cool. I am so excited to see KK perform. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cool. I was working like for the past week to get KK onto my island. Oh, Tom wants to talk to us. Oh, so cool. He's gonna perform here every Saturday. Oh, I think this is where I get to finally edit pathways, right? Yes, island designer. So as you can tell, I'm in the very early stages of this game. Oh, that's so cool. Now I can finally, really decorate my island like I want to decorate it. I'm gonna give like a slight island tour. Obviously, I don't have a lot of things done on my island, but I do have like some favorite parts of my island that I would like to show off. Let's just catch this butterfly. I'm still in that stage of like selling butterflies and fish to make money, so that's like my whole life right now. So I clearly have a shopping problem. I think I'll actually save this stuff for later. So I named my island Sunray Island, and I'll actually start at Dodo Airlines. So when you first get off the plane, so my islander, she is currently wearing her explorer gear. I thought this outfit was super cute. This is my flag because, of course, I named my island Sunray Island, so it's a little sun with a heart. I think it's so cute. And let's see, what do you want to see? Here's the layout of my island so far. It's not anything special. I want to move all my islanders into like this one row here so that it's like a strip of a neighborhood. Yeah. And the islanders that I have is Graham, Eric, Tammy, Sly, Spike, Knox, Peanut, Flurry, and Bianca was just added today. My favorite islander at the moment is Peanut, and I really love Sly. And the game like declared Sly as my best friend, so I really love that. I think Sly is a jock personality, and Peanut, I think she's peppy. Yeah. Everybody else is pretty cool. Graham is smug, Eric's lazy, Spike is grumpy, Knox is grumpy as well, and Bianca is peppy, and Flurry, I think she's normal. But yeah, so once you get off the island, I kind of wanted to like dedicate, I don't know, my island, its native fruit is peach, so I wanted to dedicate like a walkway to that. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. And I found these random flowers and I thought of just planting them at the front just to make it look a little bit more decorative. Now that I can make paths, I'm thinking of doing mainly stone paths throughout all of here because I really like the stone aesthetic. Yeah, so right when you walk in, there's a nice little fountain area that you can just like hang out. I'm probably going to move this, but for now, this is what it looks like. Here's my home, and I designed it, of course, after stones. It kind of makes sense. Oh no, I just broke that. Oh, okay. It kind of makes sense for me because, I don't know, like, I'm a yoga instructor, and I don't know, it's something about having all this stone here is like really grounding. And then I have my azaleas that I got from Leaf. Oh, bye-bye. I'm like running around, not doing any of my daily tasks, but I just kind of want to show off the island for now. So here I'm going to create like a little spa area. I'm going to get some more of these beds, and I'm thinking of giving this sink to one of my villagers because it doesn't really match with my home aesthetic, at least for my bathroom. So yeah, but for now it's there. My beach is pretty empty. I know that I want to put a gym right around here. And then here I have, actually let's go down here. So down here I put resident services, and I created this little section to kind of seclude this area where I have the campsite as well. I don't know, I think this place is pretty cute, and I don't really think I'm going to change it, but as time comes, maybe I might. I created this really cute area for Gulliver. So I know he could land like anywhere on the island, like on any beach, but he usually lands somewhere around here. So I created this little spot for him so that if he's like waits for a long time, he can take a nap, he can cool off, maybe he can have something to eat, dry out his clothes, wash his clothes, maybe sit and like watch the ocean. I don't know. I think this is just like a really cute spot to dedicate to him. There's Peanut. Let's see what she's doing. Oh, I love her. Oh, yes. Okay, all right. I have like a lot to do. Anyways, this is Tammy's house. I really love Tammy. She's actually, I think she's sisterly or something like that. But anyways, this is like my marketplace-ish. I know I want to create like a little pathway down here, and create like an arcade marketplace type of thing. I want it to be a little bit more modern than what it is, and I'm definitely going to be rearranging some things around here, but for now this is what it looks like. And then I have the museum over here, which I'm going to be relocating, but for now it's just over here, and I know I have so much work to do on this island. It's like really exciting. I definitely want to like decorate the outside of the museum with a bunch of fossils. And yeah, here I have Nook's Cranny. It's kind of isolated all by itself, so I'm thinking of moving that as well. And then I'm going to take you down towards the strip of like where all my neighbors are. I really like the layout of it. I might move this cliff back and then move the house back because I want them all to be in like a straight line, just to create like, I don't know, more coherency. And then I have all these little azaleas. I'm probably gonna relocate them, I'm not sure yet. For now, this is like my beach cafe, And here I have this like sign, but eventually I'm going to replace it with a cafe sign. When you enter it, like I created like, I don't know, I think it's so cute. This is probably my favorite spot on the island. But yeah, I created like this little cafe place. You can have coffee with like a friend. I put the pizza brickstone oven here, which is really cool. There's some bread. Here there's like an espresso machine. There's a little bench. I planted all of these beautiful flowers here because I don't know, I just like how over the horizon they turn around. It creates like such depth in the game. I put some decorations over here and another table for 4. And I have these little peach chairs here in my lighthouse. I'm thinking of actually replacing these chairs with more of like a woven chair and getting another one of these tables and putting another flower and just making it more symmetrical. And then maybe taking those chairs for something else in the island. I don't know. And here's my bike. I don't know. I really love it. Very, very cute. Oh, I love that butterfly. I'm gonna go catch it. I haven't really touched the upper levels because I know like I'm going to be rearranging them a lot. These are all orange trees. I found them on another island, and so I just planted a bunch of them so that I could farm them. So hopefully once I get things going for my island, I'll be able to create an orchard so that I have like a more presentable and pretty way to look at my trees. And then up here on this level, wrong item. Up here on this level, I have my garden. I'm thinking about making like filling this whole thing up with flowers and then making a couple more levels, like you know the ones that you hop from, and then creating another upper level just for flowers. And I don't know, I really like having this place secluded and filled with flowers. It's so cute. I'm speaking to Spike right now. He's my grumpy villager, but I think he's so cute. Like, I love him so much. And he's so sweet to me. But yeah, as I said, most of my island is pretty much untouched. And I guess all that I have really to show left is my beach on the other side. I haven't really decorated my private beach yet, only because I'm not sure what I want to do here. I do have extra DIY recipes for my friends when they visit, but besides that, I'm not really too sure what I want to do. And then here, I want to create kind of like a beach nightclub, I don't know, disco area, so that's why it's looking really scarce and sparse right now, but I promise it'll be cute. And yeah, here I have this like picnic area, which I find adorable. And I also have a second picnic area. I don't know, I like the stones on top of the stones. And that's pretty much it. I'm not really sure where I want to go with my island yet. I've been watching a lot of gameplays on YouTube about what to do, like how to design your island and stuff, and I don't know, I just want to be inspired a little bit, but I know that I want to go for a more urban island. I definitely want a Zen garden. I have so many recipes for a Zen garden. I have actually almost every like bamboo recipe, so I just have to mine those materials. And yeah, here is Flurry. She's my normal villager, and she's the cutest. She calls me Powder Puff. Okay, she's walking away from me. I find this game to be so cute. I'm so excited. I guess I could show you my new villager. Why not? Let's see. Not my new villager, but who's camping out at my campsite. Let's see. What the heck? What is that? What are you, lady? Is this supposed to be like Russian mafia music? Or Italian? I don't know. Seems... Oh, it's yeah, it is Italian. Monique. Oh, she wants to live here. How cute. Okay, I'll invite her. She's weird looking though, but she's definitely different, and she's a cat villager, which I don't have any cat villagers. She wants me to play a game. She wants me to play a game? Girl, I just want you to move in. Oh my god, she's like a trickster. I'm just gonna say it's red because I don't know. Oh dang. Okay, wait. Okay, but will you stay here? Oh, I think I have to make another plot for her. Okay, I think, I'm just gonna run to Tom Nook right now and create another plot for her because I kind of really want her. I think she's really unique and it would be fun to have her on the island. I don't know. Let's see. Also, I have a ton of cute outfits. I think I'm just wearing this outfit today because, I don't know, it was already on, whatever. I'm gonna buy another plot, or maybe I can't. Do I have 10 villagers already? Okay, I'm gonna have this chick move in. I'm gonna set her up with the other neighbors. Let's see. Now, I wonder why, I forgot the reason why I put Spike up on that hill. Maybe because there's no more room here? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's like too close. Okay. Then I'm going to put your house. Let's see. Oh, hey. All right. I guess I could put the house here, right? I don't know. It won't be in line with Spike. Oh, right here. Okay. Oh, wait, it's too close to a cliff. Maybe if I step back a bit. I feel like it's too forward. Let's move up a bit. I think this is perfect. Yep, I'm going to plant this spot right here. Oh, look at Spike. I love Spike. Spike's, even though he's I don't know if I said grumpy before or cranky. He's definitely cranky. Also, I totally forgot. We have to go check out my new villager. So her name is Bianca. This is Bianca's house. I find it so cute. She's a peppy villager, so of course she's gonna have a really cute pink house. And yeah, let's go in. Let's see what she's up to. Oh, I think her house is so cute. It fits her so well. Let's speak to her. Let's see how she's feeling. Oh, she's so cute. I'm so happy she's here. I know she's just going to be one of my favorite villagers. I really love peppy villagers. What's this villager's name again? Monique? I actually already have 10 villagers, it's 9 including myself. So yeah, I just created a plot of land for nothing and I don't know what to do with it. If you have any ideas about how I should maybe move it or what I should do with it, I am so open to ideas. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love Animal Crossing so much and I can't wait to really, finish my island. I am very happy that I was able to kind of show my island and do like a little follow-up. I definitely have a lot of tasks to do today, and yeah, if you like this video, definitely leave a like, and if you'd like to see more, comment down below. I don't know, my channel really isn't a gaming channel. I am a yoga instructor. I like to share my yoga experience on this channel, so this is just kind of like, I don't know, this is like a side hobby of mine. Is this a hobby? I don't know. This is just a really cool way I've been passing time in quarantine. And there's a whole Animal Crossing community on YouTube that I love so much. And it's cool to kind of be a part of that community. If you want to see more, why not subscribe? All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.